papaya. Me and my papaya. So anyway, me and my beautiful papaya. You see it? Me and my papaya. You know, I just love me and my papaya. And my flower and my papaya. I can't say enough. I just love this. This is so awesome. I have so much fun working on my video. Me and my papaya. Next door neighbor. This lady. She think I'm nuts. ต้นมะละกอ